on, grab your very first fishy at the market. Yo, yo, yo. So I'm gonna be playing. Okay, market. We gotta go. Bro, where did I put it? Okay, we got some fish. Now let's head to the market and sell it. Oh, we good. Also, some fish can mutate and grow way bigger, making them even rarer. So guys, we're gonna be playing I don't know, but it's a fun game. It's like it's like grow a garden but with fish. Yo, there's bamboo here. Collect the bamboo. We need moon melon bamboo. Hey, market. Let's buy some. Hey, we can buy two. And let's go to the pond. Where should I put it? Grow all fishes. Nah, man. Let's put the sardine egg in this thing. Yeah, we're good. So is there? I must sit here and relax. Mimi! Fishes grow faster and you get 100 every minute. Watching over fishes. Earn booblons. Wait, are they you guys, I buy 2 eggs of sardine and it only gave me one. 2 eggs. Bro. 2 eggs. That was 2 eggs of sardine. I hate this. One by one. Let's put it one by one. 1 and 2. We put 2 of them. Grow all fishes. Oh, this is a mountain. This is where I found. La la li la li la la li 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 li. Fish delete. I must delete my fish. Yo, 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 yo. I got my fish. Guys. I got my fish. Now let's sell it this all. We got 41, so we can buy 4 of this now. And 4. We can watch over my 4 fishes in here. Wait, let's watch over the fishes every minute. So let's wait for a minute. $250. Let's claim it. We got 250 now. Yeah, is the minute done? Yeah, I must sleep. Alright, let's watch over fish. Let's wait. Me. Oh my god. Wakey. Okay, there's fishes. Fishes can be killish. We're gonna. Okay, market. No. We need 50 of this. Let's wait for the Aconi eggs. Let's put the low fishes in here. Here. In Aconi egg. Here. Yo, we got some big fishes. Oh, by the way, I see you're working. Hard. I got you this one. Sticky egg. What is some sticky egg? Oh, let's collect this one. Okay. Fishes can be these dishes. Let's watch them grow and let's wait for an hour. Bigay ng wiki. Yo, bruh. Let's just sell this and buy something. How many more seconds? How will I see? Okay, we got 50 minutes or 40 minutes to... Okay. I'ma let you guys relax, so I'ma post this. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's get some Aquaman eggs. Oh, I'ma fill my money for these boss eggs. I don't know what it means. We got 16 of them. So, no. I'ma go to band. Yo, you guys done growing? You done growing? Wait, there are other fish here. How did you guys get here? Bro! Bro! Let me collect it! Bro! Tilapia, what is that? Bro! I'm gonna go to my pond and let's put them here. Didn't even buy something. Yo! You guys are not even like, bro. There's that one fish that is here that I can now collect. Why are you guys in the bottom? Look, they are all fully grown. Bro. How will I even collect fish if I cannot even reach them? You won't let me get my fish. mud. Let's watch them growing. Let's watch them grow. I collected the fishes. Yo! When did this come out? Wait. Do mother fishes? Wait. So we cannot get the mother fishes. For a jolly bang. And this is a spiky. And it's not a mother. We cannot collect the mother. It lays eggs. There! We can collect that boss. Okay. I'm also noob. Here. Two. We can collect this. Okay, I get it now. Guys, I get it now. Look! There is nothing growing, coming out here now, so I get it. I get it now, guys. I get it. Huh? Okay. Akanobi, this is where the Akanobi is. And bass is here. Catfish here. And sardine here. We cannot collect the bass. There are mother fish. They can lay eggs, so I'm gonna buy more of them. Okay, you mother fish. What the? Eat and catfish. Okay. Spiky! How long are you gonna grow, bro? Let's collect this. Okay. Sell. Let's sell them. Oh my god, this is where the sell. Okay, we got 300. Akanobi. This is Mom Akanobi. They lay sardine. And bass. Okay, we got bass. Pond. Okay, where's the bass? Is this where the bass is? Okay, this is where the bass. Let's collect this bass. Okay. Catfish! Motherfish! Let's go! He can lay eggs and I can get also catfish. Yo, that's spiky. Long way do. Okay. Collect. Bro, why did I even delete all the fish? Nah, this is fault. Tilapia. Let's go to pond. Let's see where's the tilapia. If there is a tilapia. maybe I deleted also the... What the... Bro, dude. Okay. So, I think I didn't buy any tilapia. Okay. There's a big fish. Okay, we got big fish. Kanobi. Bash, okay? There's another bash. Let's wait for them. The catfish is almost born and he can lay eggs. Spikey is also almost born. The Akonobi fish. Mother fish of Akonobi. Okay. They can lay eggs. There's Akonobi here. Akonobi. Okay. Yo, you done? Yo, please lay eggs. Oh my god, Spikey is almost ready to burn. This is another bus. Thank you for another bus. Keep going, lay the eggs. Catfish, what are you doing? Lay the eggs. Okay. So, what I'm thinking is, it's like grow a garden, but it's infinite. I like grow a garden like apples, that is infinite, like grapes. Grape, that is infinite. And mother fish is like infinite, so it's like grow a garden. It's really like grow a garden, but the difference is they are just fish. Okay, Spikey is it's almost ready to get. Akonobi, another Akonobi. Another Akonobi, but it's a baby. Okay, let's get the... Yo, we must get a bigger fish. Yo. We can collect this. We can collect him. Can harvest. Okay, we got him, guys. Another catfish. So I can collect him. Okay, I'm doing something. Okay, we got him. Yo. Okay. I will show this. Now we're in a potion and boss in here. Okay. I bought two of them. Pond. This is boss. So I will put the boss there. Catfish here and Akonobi here. Tilapia is here. Dude, that's a bass. That's a baby bass. So I can collect it. Okay, I didn't know that mother fish is catfish. Okay, I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing good. Akonobi fish. Yo, grow more. There's tilapia and yeah. That's bro. How small is that fish? Okay. Well, this big catfish, we can get this. Okay. Let's just wait for them to get born and wait here. Hey, I'm gonna go now. Gone. Okay, let's try. Oh my god! It's really cold here because I'm a Filipino, but if you know, Baguio is a storm. There's a storm in other country. If we are in signal 3, we cannot do this. Oh, today is Friday, so yeah. Wait, where's the tilapia? Is that the tilapia? I put the tilapia here. Okay. They aren't mothers, so I think I must not buy them. But this, I can harvest. Bro, there's so many bass, motherfish, but there is no. Okay, catfish and catfish. Now, if yeah, okay. Let's collect this. Okay, let's wait for the tilapia to be born, and I will collect them. Let's see if they're motherfish or not, because we can see, but I press them and there's nothing. Okay, yo catfish, keep. Okay, we can get all the catfish. I see the tilapia. We need tilapia. Okay, let's sell them. Let's sell it. We got 2,000 guys. We got 2,000. So we got bass, catfish, tuna. Okay, let's go for tuna. Because tuna is rare. Tuna here is gonna be with the catfish. Okay. Let's collect the others. We have the others, and yo, there's another beacon. Why you guys are going to my pond? Not even rich. This is not a garden. So let me see at the leaderboard. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my god. So I'm the highest in the leaderboard because I bought mother. Please stop. Stop begging for me. I'm just a new person. Go to another lobby to beg for eggs. Please give me fish. 4 was cut. 4. Oh there. Hard enough. Here, have this. You happy now? So stop begging for me. My god, my mama calling me. My god, guys, wait. Okay guys, I'm done talking to my mom. Let's watch them grow. Okay, we must collect these. Tuna, there is no. Okay, let's sell this. Okay, we got 2,000 money. So tuna is like, okay, no, we're not buying tuna today. Okay, we're done. Let's put this Hanabi in here. Catfish. Yo guys, we have and bass, 5 of bass. Okay. Biggest squid, 4-5 feet. So what you guys doing here? You buying or just admiring the hole? Just admiring the hole. I'm going to swim in bowl. Okay, let's look at the others. So there's another person who's the highest. Okay, it's boss. Let's find boss. Where is her pond? Yo, where's boss? So here's this is Mother Fish, boss, and Catfish. Catfish? Yo, he's kinda copying. Okay, he kinda copying me. I put the box here, I put the catfish here, I put the others here, and yeah. You copying me, bro? Huh? You have a problem? This is new point. There's a red fish. That's some other red. Catfish. Now let's take the Asanagi here. As soon as I'm rich, I'm gonna buy things. Hold on. Now let's do this. Yo guys, we got a thousand. Okay, let me just go here. Okay. Can hold this. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go and make more videos. It's getting boring now, so I hope you like the video because I'm gonna end here. So goodbye guys. Please like and subscribe. I just wanna be a big YouTuber in one day. I just wanna be a famous YouTuber. So bye bye guys. See you to my next video.